Hello! In this installment of FireVoxel tips and tricks, we will show you how to copy layers between two compatible documents and reorder layers in a document. We will start by loading two three-dimensional abdominal Dixon images, fat image and water image, from the same acquisition. Double-click a document window to open the Layer Control panel. Click on each window to view the layers in these documents. On the water image, we have previously segmented the right and left kidneys, so this document has multiple layers. Our task is to copy the layers from the water document window to the fat window. Let's first copy the right kidney ROI layer. Select this layer in the Layer Control panel, drag it over the fat image window and drop it. The copied layer will be placed on top of the fat image. We can repeat this operation for the left kidney layer. Each copied layer will be placed on top of the already existing layers. The copy operation is allowed for images of the same matrix dimensions and resolution, such as the Dixon images here. If you try to copy layers to a window with a different matrix size, or the same matrix but different voxel size, FireVoxel will show a warning. We can also copy layers by saving the layer as an image, for example in Nifty format, and then loading this image in the destination window. The end result is the same as with dragging and dropping layers, but this method creates an extra file. Now let's reorder the layers in the FAT document window. To do this, click and drag the layers up or down in the Layer Control panel. The layer at the top of the list is the deepest, or base layer. The layer at the bottom of the list is the closest one to the viewer. And this is how you copy and reorder layers.